For daily hacks in human body, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to be notified our videos. Losing weight in a short time requires patience and discipline. You need to bring about some major changes in your diet and exercise regularly to shed off a few pounds in a week. Ideally, one should aim to lose a pound per week. Try the following methods at home to lose weight in a short time. 1. Set a realistic goal. Set an achievable goal and strive to achieve it rather than setting an unrealistic goal and fretting about it. For example, I will try to lose 10 pounds in a week is a realistic goal but a dangerous goal. 2. Create an exercise plan for 7 days. Only dieting will get you nowhere. Create an exercise plan to which you can stick to for 7 days. Create a schedule for the workout and try to stick to it. Include different workouts for each day and maintain consistency. Try to include a burst of high-intensity activities in your regular aerobic exercises. For example, when you are walking, run for 5 minutes, and then again continue to walk. This burns more calories. Zumba, aerobics, and swimming are good options for rapid weight loss. 3. Create a meal plan. Try to create a meal plan for 7 days. Meals specific for breakfast, lunch, and dinner should be included in the plan. This may help to stick to healthy eating and avoid unhealthy foods. 4. Create a list of eating habits. Reflect on your eating habits. Make a list of eating habits that would contribute to weight gain. Keep a food diary to note down the food you eat throughout the day. This may help you to identify the foods or habits that are leading to weight gain. 5. Get rid of some eating habits. Some of the eating habits may increase the risk of overeating, hence, it is necessary to highlight those habits. Eating habits include eating too fast, always eating dessert, skipping meals, eating when not hungry, always cleaning your plate, eating while standing up, may lead to mindless eating. I am sure it will help you losing your weight. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share to your friends.